And we're back today doing part 2 of our Ask the Professionals on insurance. We just covered renters insurance on a previous video, and now we're going to cover with Thomas Ball, the Weatherly Insurance Agency here in Greenville. We're going to cover the difference between homeowners and landlords insurance. Maybe some misconceptions and frequently asked questions about those two types of policies. Well, let's talk about property owners or investors. If someone has one property, or even if they have 100 investment properties, is there a difference between homeowners insurance and landlords insurance?
Absolutely, yeah. You know, homeowners policy protects your home where you live while you're occupying it. Your exposure is kind of increased when you get to a property that is occupied by a tenant or somebody else.
Yeah.
There's absolutely a difference, and it needs to be addressed. Whether you're buying a new house and renting out your current home,
sure.
That policy does not follow you throughout. So it also, on a commercial basis, you can add coverages into that policy to protect you when you do have a significant loss and your income will go down. So I like to think of it as like a car parked in your driveway. You can have you know, the newest F-150 sitting in the middle of it with a huge screen in the middle, or you know, you can have a Kia right beside it with nothing in it. So there's bells and whistles that can be added or taken away in order to protect you and your assets properly.
Gotcha. So if I live in my house, my property, I live there, and I'm going to buy a new property, or something has to happen, but I'm going to rent this current one out, is it advised that I contact my insurance agent, which for me is you, to say, hey, I'm renting this property out, do I need to change my insurance, or do I just continue like it is?
Absolutely. You need to contact them before you even, you know, look at a closing on the property, because essentially the homeowner's policy will be canceled and a new policy will be written.
Okay.
So it's not even a transfer of who's occupying it and where they are.
Okay.
It's actually a completely separate policy that needs to be written. And in the event of a claim, if that phone call doesn't come through, or if someone's not notified that that house is not occupied by the owner, claims can be denied. Direct cancel notices can be sent. So
wow!
It's
so there could be a penalty there if a claim comes up.
Absolutely,
it could be deeper pockets. If you switch your policy from a homeowner's policy to a landlord's policy, or you're buying a property that's going to be a known investment property from day one, is there additional liability coverage with the landlord's policy that you may or may not get with a standard homeowner's policy?
Absolutely. There's a different type of coverage and different amounts available to you.
There's choices.
There's definitely some choices,
and
it protects you against, again, going back to not occupying that property. It protects you against who's living there and what's going on when you're not there.
Gotcha. Okay. Good. Good. I think that just about wraps us up. If you'd like to give Thomas a call, we're going to have his contact information here at the end of the video and in the notes. But he's done us very well, and very seasoned insurance agency here in Pitt County.